Let's go! Makakatakas na rin tayo. Ano ba ito? Let's go! Tatakas na tayo! Let's go! So, ito nga po pala ang pagtakas natin dito, no? Let's go! Bye-bye, Mami Long Legs! Nahirapan mo ng sobra. Okay, lalabas na tayo dito! Let's go!
I was so scared she'd put me back in that case.
Oh, bakit?
But you saved me.
Oh, niligtas kita.
You're perfect. Too perfect to
Anong
lose.
too perfect to be loose?
Sorry,
No!
I can't let you leave. I've never met anyone like
Oh my
you. Do you know how long I've been stuck in that case?
Stop, bro.
Well,
Stop.
too long. I had so much time to think and reflect. Time to figure out exactly what I would do when free.
Gusto ko nang umuwi.
Set
Gusto nang
things
umuwi sa
right.
amin.
Terrible things have happened. But I know that whatever I need you to do, you're capable.